In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have a DoorDash background check problem. So this problem means if your DoorDash background check is stuck or it's taking too long. So don't worry, just follow these instructions step by step and you can get back on track. Now the first thing you need to do is just to check your background check status. All you have to do to check that is to go ahead to the checker application portal and log in. And if it says it's still pending, that means the background check is still under review. And if it says consider or suspended, then there might be a problem and you have to see if there is an issue. Now, the second thing, just know the wait time. Background checks usually take some time, so it's up to 30 days depending on your location. And if it's over a week, you should take action. After that, you need to contact checker support. Just go ahead, visit the checker help center and then just submit a request. And you can also call their support. It's a 24/7 support help. And after that, the fourth step you can do is to go ahead, verify your information. And to do that, just make sure your name and address and everything matches your official documents. And if there is a mistake, just update your info on the DoorDash app and contact support. Now, the fifth thing you need to do is to dispute any errors. That's if your background checks has incorrect info. And after that, just contact the DoorDash support. You can go ahead to DoorDash support, click on Dasher support, and then submit a ticket. Now, the other thing you need to do is to just be patient and proactive because sometimes delays happen due to court checks or verification issues. So, if you've done all of these things, just wait a couple of days and follow up again. So, this was how to fix DoorDash background check. You're only a one step closer to dashing. As always, thank you for watching.